Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you a really easy way to make reusable dryer sheets. This is something that you probably have all the materials for at home, and it's going to save you a little bit of money, and it's just fun to do. All you need is some cloths. So I'm taking some old washcloths. If you have hand towels, you can cut them in half. You want them to be about a square size, or any type of cloth will do. You can easily go to the Dollar Tree if you don't have any. These are super cheap there, and they work great. However, I have a lot of washcloths that probably need to be recycled at this point. Between you and me, this one's from college. First of all, I want to answer the question I often get. How long do these last? Most people get between 10 and 20 washes out of each one. And then the great thing is you can just redo it after it's lost its freshness. Just redo this process. So it's a great way to keep reusing and recycling with materials you already have. So let's get started. First, get a big glass bowl, just enough to fit your washcloths. You can do multiple at a time, that's not a big deal, and the more you do, the more you have. For each washcloth, you just need 1 capful of fabric softener. You can use whatever kind you want. Again, this is a great Dollar Tree project because you can go to the Dollar Tree, get both these materials, and make it super inexpensively. But I'm just going to put 2 in here for now, which means I will use 2 capfuls of fabric softener. After you've done that, you want to fully saturate these so they're nice and covered. Every part of it is covered. So then wring out kind of the excess like that. And then you're going to want to hang these to dry. If it's nice outside and it's not going to be getting below freezing any night in the near future, you can just hang these up. You can put it on a clothesline, on any type of hanger, just something to hang them up so they dry. Putting them outside is going to help them to dry longer. However, if it's winter, you can definitely just wash or dry these inside. They'll just take a little bit longer. Once they're done drying, then just throw them in your washing machine and you'll have fresh laundry for 10 to 20 loads. This is really a fun project and is super easy to do. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.